right, combine 2 of the gooiest, yummiest desserts for one standout dish. Listen, I'm in. No questions asked. I'm in. This cinnamon roll apple pie bake is extremely easy to throw together, according to our next guest, but the results do not disappoint. Sarah Alvord joins me with this recipe. It's great to see you.
It's great to be back.
You're planting the idea that this would be great for moms to make for Mother's Day.
Oh, well.
As we do.
Honestly, I think this is one that you can get the family to make for you.
Okay, fine.
It's so easy. 2 ingredients. You can get little hands to help with this. No problem.
2 ingredients?
Yeah.
Okay.
Super easy.
And remember a couple years ago, you knocked my socks off by saying your favorite kitchen utensil, your most used utensil was?
My cast iron.
And here it is.
I'm a fangirl of the cast iron.
Return appearance.
Yeah, I love it because when you bake in it, it makes everything like crispy and sugary. That sugary crunch on the outside.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
It's a texture
thing.
thing.
You can make this in a 9x13 if you don't.
Okay.
If you aren't a cast iron person.
All right.
Okay, so we start with some cinnamon rolls. So I already did the scary part and opened the can.
It is scary.
Hi.
Those pop cans are terrifying.
So I'm just gonna cut these into fourths.
Uh-huh. Is there a brand you
Maybe
like?
Mom
Are you
has to do
particular
this.
to any? Okay, whatever you got.
I can cinnamon roll snob.
Okay.
So, if you want to help me, you can. I'll let you put some of these around, and then I'll cut up the other ones. So honestly, there's no.
Here we go.
No pattern.
Yep.
Just get them in the pan.
Yep. And you're right about the texture, like, especially with sweets, I think, desserts, if there's the right, like, crunch texture on top, it's why we love the crust so much on a pie, right?
Oh, I know. And these puff up perfectly. You would think we are going to add a little bit of a liquid to them, and you would think that they would get soggy, but they don't.
That doesn't feel like enough. Is that enough?
Iron. That's enough.
Okay.
So then we're going to take a can of apple pie filling. That's our second ingredient.
Is this it?
That's it.
What?
And then I'm just going to kind of pour it over.
Okay.
Fill in the little spaces here with our apples.
So you want it covered layer.
Yep.
And that's enough liquid, that's enough everything.
That's it.
Okay.
And then we're just gonna bake it at 375 for 20 to 25 minutes.
Done.
And then we get this beauty.
Okay, so on those days, I'm thinking of so many Sundays, right? We host most Sundays,
Sunday
family comes over. I'm thinking of those moments where you're like, I don't have a dessert.
Yeah.
This is it, in 2 ingredients in 2 minutes.
Yeah, put some ice cream on top or some whipped cream.
What do you have here?
So I just use the frosting from the can. Put it into a little Ziploc bag, and then you just take it,
Give it a drizzle.
Just take a little tip off, and then you can.
But you're right,
drizzle it right over the top.
Ice cream.
It smells so good.
Okay.
It tastes so good. It's like an apple pie with a cinnamon roll,
Sarah,
and it's so good.
Thank you so much. And anytime
welcome.
we can bring the best of both worlds, as I think Miley Cyrus once sang. Let's pretend we didn't quote her in the kitchen on a Wednesday.
That's all right.
But we did. Best of both worlds with 2 desserts coming into one pan. Where can we get more recipes from you, sister?
You can find me at feedingyourfam.com.
Feedingyourfam.com. Give it a bookmark. She'll be your go-to for dinner and beyond. Dessert, always my favorite when she brings it to our kitchen studio. Great job. Thank you.